All right, it is September 25th now. We're up here at a custom harvesting. We were just there, just right there, Saturday and Sunday. So now we're up here. We're right across the road here, and I don't know how many acres is here. There's a few, and we're just going right there to those grain bins. So yeah, ain't too shabby, ain't too shabby. We just moved up here. He's opened up this round and opened up a few inroads right there, and yeah, looking pretty good. So here we go. All right, we're making a little progress. I just got back from my second wagon load. Yeah, second wagon load, and I climbed the bin, and it looks like it can hold 2 to 3, probably more, maybe more, but I don't know. And then we got to move the auger to the next bin. We didn't realize it was full, or almost full. So yeah, there's a beautiful sunset. There's supposed to be some thunderstorms coming through tonight, but I don't know. My phone says a 70 to 80% chance, and the radio just said that if you get rain, it won't amount to more than 1/10. So whatever, we're still in a drought, and that's all we can do is just hope for rain. But I mean, we're making decent progress with the harvest. So there we go. Anything else happens, I'll come back to y'all. Forgot my camera in the 4055 last night. So it's actually the next day. I'm in the grain cart and tractor, the grain cart. We had to switch the bins for him. To a different one. We've got one of his wagons set up there. My dad's coming to get that tractor and wagon to take to another farm. They got the John Deere shelling at, and I'm here with the case. Here with the case. We're gonna finish up here. We only I think he just got 12 rows left, I think. We'll walk up here and drive up here and see. I've got over half a cart load, I think. There's a ditch. Yeah, he's just got 12 rows left. Right? Now that's 18. 6, 12, 18. Yep, he's got 18 left. Well, we're done. Broke a belt.